Breaking news from Delhi. A powerful blast has been reported outside gate number 1 of the Red Fort metro station this evening. The explosion occurred in the parked car, triggered a massive fire that spread to nearby vehicles. At least 8 people have been lost their lives and several others have been injured. 7 5 tenders are on the scene as police of forensic team continue their investigations. Police special cell and senior officials continue investigation at the site. The area remains sealed and the high alert has been sounded across the capital. Stay with us for more updates this developing story.